I can't wear mascara anymore. 13 alternatives to use instead. Hey beauty beginners, struggling to give up mascara or looking for other ways to enhance your lashes? Don't worry, you're not alone and I've got your back. Today we're exploring 13 fabulous alternatives to mascara that will make your lashes pop without the smudge. Mascara might be a go-to, but it's not for everyone. From sensitive eyes to clumpy results, sometimes it just doesn't work out. No shame here. Finding alternatives can revolutionize your beauty game and keep things comfortable and gorgeous. Let's redefine lash magic on your terms. First up, lash tinting. This semi-permanent treatment darkens lashes, giving them a naturally bold look. No smearing, no flaking, just effortlessly beautiful lashes. Perfect for those who want low-maintenance lash drama. Bonus: it lasts up to 6 weeks, so you wake up ready to slay every day. Pair that tint with a lash lift. This treatment curls natural lashes to perfection, erasing the need for mascara. Lash lifts add life, length, and allure that stays fresh for weeks. You'll love the subtle, "I woke up like this" vibe it radiates. If you love dramatic lashes but hate struggling with glue, magnetic lashes are your new BFF. They snap on in seconds, no mess required, and add gorgeous volume to your look. Plus, they're reusable, making them a savvy and sustainable beauty choice. False lashes have come a long way. Now there are lightweight, natural options that mimic your real lashes for a subtle touch of glamour. Pro tip: go for clear lash bands to keep them looking seamless, even without mascara. For those who want a full glam, fuss-free solution, eyelash extensions are worth the splurge. A technician customizes them to your style, giving you stunning lashes that stay flawless for weeks. It's a serious game changer if you crave a done look daily. A good eyelash curler is a small tool with a big impact. Curling your lashes instantly opens up the eyes, creating a fresh and lifted appearance. Pair with a lash serum for a natural, minimalist beauty routine that still looks vibrant and polished. Speaking of serums, investing in a lash-enhancing formula can work wonders. Think longer, thicker, healthier lashes without a single coat of product. With consistent use, you'll notice stunning results within weeks. It's all about building beauty from the base. No mascara? No problem. Master the art of tightlining. Apply eyeliner to your upper waterline to create the illusion of denser lashes. It's subtle, easy, and ultra-effective in giving eyes that fuller, defined look in a pinch. Crave the definition that mascara gives but without the heaviness? Switch to clear mascara. This underrated hero enhances your lash shape and adds shine while keeping things natural. It's perfect for everyday wear or when you're rocking a no-makeup look. Sometimes, the best option is going au naturel. Nourish your lashes with oils like castor, coconut, or argan oil to promote growth and strength. It's gentle, safe, and gives you that lush, mascara-free glow over time. Here's a pro tip: use translucent or tinted powder to add slight bulk to your lashes. Dab some powder lightly at the roots of your lashes, then comb through with a spoolie. It creates understated volume while staying mascara-free. Sometimes, highlighting other features makes all the difference. Frame your eyes by perfecting your brows or rocking a bold eyeliner look. Smoky shadows or bright liners can shift the focus and make your eyes sparkle. No mascara required. Let's celebrate not needing anything at all. Bare, natural lashes are refreshingly beautiful. Sometimes, it's about embracing the skin and lashes you're in. Confidence is the boldest accessory. It instantly elevates any look. Who needs mascara when the beauty world offers so many exciting alternatives? Give one, or two, of these tips a try, and discover what works best for you. Don't forget to share your results, or tag us in your lash experiments to inspire others in our uplifting beauty community. Stay gorgeous. You've got this.